Hello there, my name is Russ from Karndean UK, and apart from carpet and upholstery cleaning, we also offer the deep cleaning of Amtico and Karndean and other brands of luxury vinyl tile. And today we are working in a new build, and before the property is handed over, the very last thing to be done is to clean the floor. Now, even though the floor has been protected with Corex, the Corex is always taken up and removed too soon, and as you can see, there is some debris on the floor. Okay, and the floor is pretty dirty. Now, if you're using contract cleaners who are armed with nothing more than just a mop and a bucket, you're going to really struggle to achieve any results, anything decent anyway, on a floor like this. Now, we have to use specialist equipment. As you can see here, we have the eccentric machine here, and that will gently scrub the floor, and we have this heated extraction machine to actually rinse the floor of all the dirt and chemical. So we're going to come back to this area here. We'll probably just do half of it, just to give some a demonstration on exactly how much better the floor will look if the floor is cleaned professionally. Right, with the floor vacuumed, and we've also done a little bit of spotting on areas where I can see glue and also paint. This machine here is now gently scrubbing the surface of the tile, and it's gently removing, or loosening I should say, the dirt, any oils that are on the surface, any paints that might still be on the surface, and also any glue that was left over from the installation of the floor. Okay, this machine will work right up to the edges, right into the corners. Right, this is now the extraction stage. And as you can see, rinsing the floor, we've managed to remove all the dirt, everything, all the chemical. The only thing we'll do once all this is done is we'll mop this area by hand. Okay, we'll come back to it, we'll see how it looks against the other half of the room. Okay, so we have just cleaned one portion, or one half of this floor, to demonstrate how much of a difference we can make. Now, compared to a mop and bucket, there's no way a mop and bucket will achieve the same results. Absolutely no way at all, okay? So if you are a contract cleaning firm and you don't want to have the investment of all the machinery and the training and everything, and you're looking for a subcontractor, we might just be able to help you. If you are a developer, a builder, and you're struggling with actually cleaning your floors, then by all means give us a shout. We're based in Guildford, but we can travel, provided it's not too far, and we'll be happy to quote. So thanks very much for watching. Please visit www.prosteamuk.com for further information.